Hi, I'm Lily with Lily and Shaw Skincare, and today we're going to be talking about Glow Up. Glow Up is a kind of heavier moisturizer that you can use at nighttime because it really keeps your skin hydrated and fresh throughout the night. And I have acne and it doesn't break me out, so whenever I use drying acne products, it prevents my skin from getting super dry. Glow Up is a nourishing barrier cream. So Mom, what's a barrier cream?
So your skin barrier is super important. You know, the skin is the largest organ and it has to keep a barrier to keep itself healthy. We want to keep good things in and we want to keep bad things out. So think of like a mud bed and what happens to a mud bed when it gets dry. You know what it looks like? Have you ever seen that image where it like cracks all apart? Mm-hmm. Okay. So I give that analogy for skin because what happens is we have this beautiful, hydrated, sealed barrier, but when it gets dry, it pulls apart and cracks and it lets water out, which dries your skin, but it also can let allergens and other things that bother your skin in. And so one of the most important things we can do with our skin is keep our skin barrier healthy. And one of the ways we do that is with a barrier repair product. And what that means is that product has a certain ratio of cholesterols and things like that that make up your skin barrier naturally. And this product is going to have the right ratio that's going to go in and repair your skin barrier from maybe your drying acne products or maybe a harsh environment. And this product is perfect for that because it's going to basically make that barrier seal back together and keep your skin super healthy, luminous, dewy, all those things we want our skin to look like.
Along with the skin barrier ingredients, Glow Up also has hyaluronic acid, which is one of my favorite ingredients. And it also has some powerful antioxidants to protect your skin from environmental damage.
Glow Up is part of our Glow line, which you'll see the yellow here. And that's for our products that are more for dry, sensitive, or even really normal skin. But even our acne-prone skin patients will love this. As Lily mentioned earlier, she has acne and uses some acne products which can be drying. And this product is great because while it hydrates and is a great emollient and repairs your skin barrier, it's not going to clog the pores. So it makes for a great product really for any skin type.